leaving my worries behind. I'm taking flight. I'm building my life on the dream. I hold it tight. Watch me soar. I'm headed to new heights. I am stronger. I am wiser now. I'm reaching high. The limits don't bound. I'm owning my life. Every challenge I'm learning, gaining more. Embracing my journey, I'm finding what's in store. With every step I'm closer to my dreams. Breaking free, I'm living within my being.